Our dash cam adopts single file loop recording. When the memory card is full, newly recorded videos will overwrite the old ones one by one. In the settings, you can tap recording time to set the recording duration of a single video clip. If you are using a 256GB memory card, you may wonder why it can only record 3 minutes of footage. The reasons are as follows. 1. A 3-minute recording duration allows us to retain video evidence to the greatest extent. If each clip was longer, shorter new recordings would cause important long videos to be overwritten and lost. 2. Excessively short recording segments would create a massive number of video files in the album, which would greatly prolong the time needed for you to locate the specific footage you want. 3. Meanwhile, an overabundance of video files will slow down the loading speed of the video album. For an optimal user experience, we have set each recording cycle to 3 minutes, even for large capacity 256GB memory cards.